And it turns into a gift. Keeps on giving. Okay. Now, this one is by Mcgrath. Just thought this was so pretty. Look at the little blue ribbon with the pearls, and I think this was after some series that was about rich girls and in the, what would it have been, 17 or 1800s, I don't know. And it just was talking about, you know, how difficult life actually was even for the rich girls, because still they had to, the wealthy girls still had to get a man in order to transfer their wealth to. They didn't get to keep it. It was transferred to the men, so they had to find a man. That was the most important thing. And so these colors. Oh, well, this is interesting. I don't remember just being so, just this. There's the colors. That's really interesting. Why would I ever have picked this? Okay, let's look at this blue. It's very metallic. Then let's look at this. That's the blue right there. Now let's look at this. That's very bronze. Bronzy pink. Almost like copper. Can y'all see that? Then let's look at this one. Please tell me it's more frosty. It is, but still got, just like everything does, it's got the orangey undertone, a peachy undertone. It's not true champagne, but you could use it. So then you have this color. It's got a little cameo on it. That's truly a chocolatey brown, but it's got a pinkish undertone to it. If y'all can see that. And the other two, what I liked about this palette was, this is a good face palette. You could use those. You could just use this and this for the most basic of looks. You know, you've got a shimmery for underbrow, for on the lid, and then the inner corner, right? And you blend that out real good, right? And then you could always use this brown for the crease. And you're done. You could have your whole eye done. If you wanted to get interesting, blend that out real good. Obviously, I'm not going to take the time to do this. Then you could add the blue on the lid. You could add it underneath and give a blue look. Or you could do a whole bronze eye. Just do nothing but this bronze. And not do anything else. I just did. Just keep going up. Blend that out. So there's a lot you can do. But here's the other thing I liked. These other two colors, yes, of course you could use as eyeshadows, but what else can you use them for, ladies? Blush. You can use them for blush. So you just have to have a little bit smaller blush brush. And you could just use this darker one for contour. Make sure you don't make a line, just to kind of blend it out a little bit. You can do under here. You can do under here. And then you can take this lighter, a little bit more frosty one, and do right on apples of the cheeks. And blend it up a little. And there you've got your blush, which I was already kind of flushed. That does look the color of my flushing. It's a good blush color for me. And then, of course, this is way too much. So what you would do then is blend that down. So you could do, you can tell my makeup's bled down here a little bit, and it's gotten in my concealer, which that's not good. My mascara, my liner is ending up a little bit here, and it's making it dark, but it's also making this look darker. But anyway, you could have this beautiful blue look over here. You could have a, you could do all blue and make that just a real good spring look. You could highlight it with the bronze or the red. You could highlight this red with some of the bronzy look over here and just kind of make that a more purple, almost a purpley tone in there. So there's so much you could do with the palette. That must have been what I was thinking, so I just fell in love with. Honestly, the little imprints of bees and the little cameo of the girl. And like I said, it's kind of about that. So I feel like this is a good palette. I like it. I think it's very pretty. Very pretty. And I'll link it below if you're interested. And is that everything? So that's Pat Mcgrath's palette, by the way. Why am I putting it back in the box? I don't know. I need to wipe down my hands. That's why. Oh, there was something else I did. Oh my gosh, I got to show you all this. I'm so excited. So I went to Victoria's Secret because my daughter, Michelle, uses Victoria's Secret leggings. And I had just wanted to do something special for her lately. And so she said, I said, why do you go to Victoria's Secret to get your leggings? She goes, because they're thick, so you can't see through them. They're good leggings. So I went and got, I wonder if she's going to hear. She does watch my channel, and so do the grandkids sometimes. But anyway.